Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Following Forward Financial. Just an update here on Cresco Labs. This is Cresco Labs, ticker CRLBF. And I've talked about this one on the channel a couple times. I was doing a couple different MJ videos yesterday, and forgot to add this one to the list, so you'll want to check those out as well. Here's a way to look at the last year, what Cresco's done. Hit the high there on February 10th. You get at the high on February 10th, along with all the rest, and slowly stair-stepped down to what it is now at 670. Over the last month, it's down a little bit, almost $3, and here in the last week, down a little bit more. So, and here's a look at what it's doing today so far. This one is over the counter, so if you're looking to get this one, you'd need to purchase it on TD Ameritrade or Fidelity. I'm not for sure if TD charges the commission for over-the-counter stocks or not. Last time I bought one, which was a while back, they did. I know Fidelity does not charge a commission, so if you're buying it on TD Ameritrade and they charge you a commission, I would add Fidelity to your portfolio as well to trade on. So, or you can start a new portfolio. So Bing is showing this one currently as a buy with a 1-year price target of $17.87. So if we go back to that 1-year high, which was probably right here, is $16.90. So now would be an excellent time to get in. If I were giving you trading advice, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. It's up to you, but that's just how I look at it. So, Cresco Labs announces opening a 44th dispensary in Pensacola, Florida. And this is dated a couple days ago, so it's all relevant, even though it is older information. If you're looking at Cresco Labs, I think this would put some impact into the stock price. Again, the opening of the 44th dispensary in Pensacola. So they're a vertically integrated multi-state operator and the #1 U.S. wholesaler of branded MJ products. Announced today the opening of a new Sunnyside dispensary located at 3900 North 9th Avenue in Pensacola. Sunnyside, Pensacola is the company's second store in the Panhandle region. With today's opening, Cresco Labs operates 12 Florida stores and 44 nationwide. So you can see the bulk of their stores are in Florida. So, and here is a look. Cresco Labs' new Pensacola dispensary is the second in Florida Panhandle and 44th nationwide. And right there's a picture. So it's the 4th Florida new store opening since the closing of the Bluma Wellness acquisition. And we're on target to double our store count in the state by the anniversary date. We're going deeper and expanding accessibility to our branded products in the two biggest medical markets, Florida and Pennsylvania. We're already the top seller of branded MJ in Pennsylvania, and we're excited to expand access to those same amazing products to patients throughout Florida. Sunnyside, Pensacola is centrally located in the city near Cordova Mall, across the bridge from Pensacola Beach and the suburb of Gulf Breeze. And a few blocks away from Interstate 110, offering broad accessibility to daily commuters and residents. The store will serve patients with a medical card issued by the state of Florida. Patients can place orders online through Sunnyside.shop website or utilize next day delivery. This goes over a little bit more about Cresco Labs. So again, they're one of the largest vertically integrated multi-state MJ operators in the United States, with a mission to normalize and professionalize the MJ industry. Feel free to pause and go over the rest there. Here is their most recognized, trusted national brands: Cresco, High Supply, Mindy Edibles, Good News, Remedy, Wonder Wellness, and Floral Cal Farms, Sunnyside. Cresco Labs, a national dispensary, brand, and wellness-focused retailer created to build trust, education, and convenience for both existing and new MJ consumers. And here's a look at their website. So, of course, over 21, and you have to hit I agree. We're on a mission to normalize, professionalize, and revolutionize. And you can see all their different products. MJ designed for you, so it looks like they have minis, all kinds of different products. Cresco, Good News, High Supply, products of the highest quality, and people out there buying these products want the highest quality, and I can't blame them, just like anything else. So, national availability, exceptional retail experiences, and it's always good to see somebody knowledgeable behind the counter in regards to these type of products, because some of them can be kind of detailed, and you don't want to, so they'll usually ask you what type of a product you're looking for. The first and last time I was in a dispensary in Colorado, they're like, what are you looking for, medical or recreational? And I was like, I don't know. Explain it to me. And so quite a while later, it's kind of in-depth education. So social equity and education development. Our mission for SEED is to develop tangible pathways into MJ industry for communities impacted on the war on drugs through our 3 pillars: restorative justice, community business, incubation, and education and workforce development. So very interesting to see a MJ company going to the war on drugs. So very good to see. We believe in shared value. When we win, everybody wins, and help us grow. So if you're looking into Cresco Labs, I would definitely recommend going to their website. MJ is one of the fastest growing industries in the United States. 25% of Americans now consume MJ. Use grew 56% since 2018, and I would just continue to see that grow. So, and even on Instagram. So if you're on Instagram, there you go. And so, very nice website, very detailed. I like the layout, very easy to navigate, and no hidden tabs or anything like that. So, Cresco Labs closes acquisition of Pennsylvania vertically integrated clinical registrant, and this is dated on the 10th. Vertically integrated multi-state operator, #1 U.S. wholesaler of branded MJ products, announced today the closing of the company's previously announced acquisition of Laurel Harvest Labs, Pennsylvania clinic registrant. The press release features multimedia. View the full release right there at the website. Approximately 52,000 square feet of indoor grow processing space. Foundation for an additional 52,000 square feet of cultivation space. So they're looking to expand. Always good to think ahead. Here's a little bit more about Cresco Labs. We've already went over. And feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. Cresco Labs opens 13th Florida Medical MJ Dispensary, and this is just dated here today. So Chicago, a vertically integrated multi-state operator and #1 U.S. wholesaler branded MJ Products, is expanding in Sunnyside brand, Southwest Florida, with a new store located at 8307 Lockwood Ridge Road in Sarasota. Sunnyside, Sarasota marks Cresco Labs' 13th Florida location and 45th nationwide store. So they're pretty predominant in Florida. And if you've been to any of their stores, you can leave that in the comments. We're excited to see the Open Sunnyside Sarasota to continue to expand access to our branded products for Florida patients. This is our 5th new dispensary since entering Florida in April, and we expect to continue to expand across the state in the new year so more patients have access to our products. Here's the CRESCOLABS CEO and co-founder, and a little bit more about Cresco Labs, which we've already touched on. Moving on here, Cresco Labs announces opening of 45th Nationwide Dispensary in Sarasota, Florida. Just a different look, a little bit better print. And there's a look at the store. So I'm just going to scroll through this. It's already some of the same information we've already looked at. But that's a pretty good looking store, pretty good size it looks like to me. So 45th location. So very nice. This is our 5th new dispensary since entering Florida in April. So they're expanding pretty quickly. So that's a little over a store every other month. So they are expanding. And there's some more information about Cresco Labs for those of you that would like to pause, or you can go right to the source on Yahoo Finance. Over here on Reddit, after spending the weekend looking at MJ stocks, I picked my top dog, Cresco Labs. Analyst Andrew from Echelon Wealth Partners maintained a buy rating on Cresco Labs with an $18 price target. Interesting move by Advisor Shares yesterday, and I did see that yellow. I've talked about them in the past, and MSOS bought these Cureleaf, and so it looks like they did some swapping. Very interesting. And over here on StockTwits, currently at 675 with a low of 748 and a high of 1749 and a $2.66 billion market cap. MJ stocks to watch, better trading in 2022. New dispensaries every couple weeks. Wait until SAFE happens. So it looks like Cresco is expanding kind of like High Tide is. Those of you that follow my channel, I've made quite a few High Tide videos, ticker HITI. Just did one this week, so you'll want to check that out. And so it looks like they're expanding just like Cresco Labs is, and they have great ratings as well. And I did quite a few MJ stocks in the last 2 days, so you'll want to check those out as well. Just within the last two, Cresco Labs, and 4 or 5 other MJ stocks. I believe Sundial was in there, of course. Over here on Tip Ranks, currently at 671, showing a strong buy. That's always nice to see, with a 186% upside to 1925, high of 2816, low of 1252. If you have Cresco Labs, go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you want to share. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.